Alright, here's the new K-Rain Mini Pro half-inch rotor. There was an existing head here, I replaced it. There was an existing head over here. It was right here. I put a T, I moved a line to over here, put a mini rotor here. I ran a line over there and added one there. And tomorrow I've got to put one in this corner over here. So that should be it for zone 3. Yeah, these are K-Rain Mini Pro. And they got 1.5 gallon nozzles in them, which I think should be plenty for this area. And that's on the same zone as these rotors, the Pro Plus. See. So that should be that. You could see here what I did. There's 1, 2, 3. Alright, thanks for watching.